Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to Learn and Fun YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you all are fine and doing good at your home. So guys, today is our topic about the Invideo. And before starting our topic, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon so you will get our videos as soon as possible. So guys, this topic is really a good topic, and I think it will be our maybe research on the uh, it will be our research, and you can say that it will be our first review about the Invideo application. I don't know it is an application or a website, and the people say that you can earn from uploading videos and in video. So let's see how the application and website work. First of all, we visit on Invideo from the Google. So let me type here in video. Okay, so I think it will be, yes, the website of Invideo is here. Text to video templates, you can see. Is Invideo free? Let me study this question. Is Invideo a free online video editor? In Invideo, online video editor is absolutely free to play and make videos. The videos export on free plan comes with the watermark. Additional some of feature like premium stock asset are only available on paid plans. Okay, can I use Invideo for YouTube? Okay, only they are providing you only such kind of things. Let me ask a question. Is Invideo give money? Okay, because we are talking about about you know earning video. Become a professional video editor can be great way to make money. Video editing is an demand skill growing at 12% per year pace, and when you see millions of YouTube channel, TikTok and Instagram reel, it comes to as no surprise. Okay, so they are not giving such kind of thing, but let's open this website and see that is Invideo give us money or no. So let me see this 10 tried and tested way to make money in YouTube in 2023. So they are showing to make money from the YouTube, but we are talking about the Invideo. I don't know why the Invideo is not coming. So some of people are say that Invideo give you money. So let me check this Invideo online. Create pleasure worthy video on one day. Simple video creation. Okay, so you can see this is the fast and an easy way to create. Okay, pro quality videos. You can create 5,000 plus professional created templates. Discover templates for any case. Search by platform, industry or content type. Customize a template for your brand using simple drag drop replace actions. Okay, simple click shortcut, and you can see you can easily do this. Okay, so they are saying that there are too many animated and templates and logos design. So you can see stock media are present here, and add your team, collaborate on your video. So I think it is a good application. Record a voiceover for your video or convert a speech to. You can easily use the full power of video to grow your brand. So it will be easily, you can say, going to the pupil. For anyone who wish to try video editor 0, okay, 600 video plus templates are present. 40-minute video duration you can edit. Okay, so there are the business plan. So yes, it is a good business plan, you can see. So guys, I think you have enjoyed our topic. If you have enjoyed our topic, then subscribe our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon so you will get our videos as soon as possible. We will be meet in next video. Take care of yourself. Have a good day.